solution, Landy Slam. Here. We just saw Marcus Malibu rock Crazy Kid in the back with a light tube. Oh, what's gonna go down there? Oh, Maximum Illusion really taking his Landy Slam here. These two haven't squared off since August. Oh, Illusion hits him with the Maximum Weapon. Oh, and a Diamond Cutter. Illusion goes for the pin. One. Oh, kicked out. Oh, Landy Slam, pounding away at Maximum Illusion. Oh, suplex. Oh, the stop. Oh, an elbow to the back of Maximum Illusion by the Slam. Landy Slam now picks up Maximum Illusion. Oh, Gutbuster. Still can't believe that last match. Tables everywhere, light tubes. It was insane. Nah. Oh, the stuff by Maximum Illusion. Robin Landy Slam's move. Maximum Illusion, very surprising, taking it to Landy Slam here. Oh, he hits him with a bat. Oh, Maximum Illusion taking it to Landy Slam here. It's very surprising. I don't know, Maximum Illusion did take out Iron Man in the grocery store, so it's gotta be pretty nuts.
What happens to Martel? He don't wrestle?
Oh, he hits him with a cookie sheet. Again. Oh. Maximum Illusion still taking out Landy Slam. Couldn't do what he was trying. Oh, and Landy Slam slams him down. Oh, standing frog splash.
So where are you going?
He grabs the legs. It's going to be the slam and financing?
Yeah.
No, the headbutt to the stuff. And here it is, the slam and financing.
No.
Is Illusion going to tap out?
No.
It's the last show that will take place here. After this week, we're going back to the field, back to our home.
I only heard the first one.
Oh, and he hits him. Maximum Illusion with a lightsaber. He's hitting Landy Slam with it. Oh, he's taking out the slam. Oh, and he stabs him in the back with it, kind of. Oh, and again. Wow. In the back again.
Money's on Slam.
Landy Slam's holding his ribs. Maximum Illusion with that Maximum Weapon. Oh, he hits him in the head with it.
Hey, freaking move.
That's for pin one. No, he kicks out. Oh, Landy Slam slams him down with a pump handle slam. Oh, he didn't go for the pin. He grabs the ladder. runs into him with it. Slams it down on him. Maximum Illusion's back. Oh. Oh, and he's jabbing him with the ladder still. Oh, he hits him with $1. You might want to pocket that.
Oh no, I would never.
He's just rubbing it in here. And he pockets the $1. Oh, and a diamond cutter by Maximum Illusion.
It's a one-man DVT dual man. Right? Slamming all that.
Goes for pin. No.
Wait a minute, not him.
Look at that. Laney Slam is bleeding. Probably from the light tube blast that got bashed over a Crazy Kid's back. The LS? Oh, there's the LS! It could be over.
Moonsault.
You got a chair. Oh, God, he's rocking in the head with it.
I threw him.
Oh, Laney Slam jabs him with the chair. Oh.
And I had to match him.
He's choking him out with the chair. Oh. Oh. He jabs him in the throat with it. Laney Slam's got a mean streak going on here. I recognize that none of his fellow Solution members are here. There's like 80 people. Yeah, only Twanky's here. Uh-oh. Oh! Maximum Illusion could be done. Oh, pulling armbar submission. Maximum Illusion. Oh, is Illusion gonna tap? Oh, boxing tap on Laney Slam. Is Slam gonna tap? Illusion lets go.
Hey, there's still a table out there.
Yeah, he's quick to point that out. Oh, he gets rocked with the ladder.
Don't want to waste it.
A bat to the head again by Illusion. Oh, again.
Right in the cojones, yeah, that was
That's
good.
some Illusion, really taking it to
I
the
like
slam
this
here.
kid, yeah, dude.
What's Maximum Illusion gonna do? Oh, front flip onto Laney Slam's midsection.
Ooh.
What's Illusion gonna do with him now? Oh, Slam pops up. Oh, super kick. Maximum Illusion wants a timeout.
How big you are, Shawn Michaels?
Laney Slam takes my soda and drinks it.
Thinks he's tough. My turn?
Laney Slam hasn't since I stripped him of his titles. Maximum Illusion left.
Count him out.
Start counting him out, Twank. Oh, he's back. He had to go get some Mountain Dew. Ugh. Ain't no holler.
Yeah.
Oh, he hit him with a bat. Oh. Another shot. And he slammed with the advantage here again. Oh, an elbow drop to the
Believe
back.
Yeah.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I get the winner, right?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Last round.
Special guest.
Oh, Laney Slam with some more aimed drop kicks to the back.
Coast is right down around the corner.
Both men are hurting here.
Twinkies, start counting.
Yeah, start counting them out. When you get to the count of 10, they both lose. Oh, the slam's up. Slam's up. No, he's back down. He's got to start from 1 again.
Is your boy here? Matt,
No.
where is he?
He was here last time, but
I
he
stopped
left.
by to see a guy. I want to get a glimpse of him, you know what I'm saying? Surprised to see me, were you?
Landy Slam. He's setting up for it.
No, I am, right?
Oh, he takes him down.
No, I am, right?
No.
Mark's dead.
Counting him down again.
You're his dad.
Yes, I am. Very proud of it.
5.
I get the winner, right?
Double countdown.
Why? I'm out of retirement now.
How can you be retired and get out of retirement?
Lady Slam is still bleeding on the forehead, I see. Maximum Illusion puts Twinkie in a sleeper hold. I don't know what he was doing that to Twinkie for. He hits him with a thing to a chicken sandwich. From McDonald's. Now Landy Slam's really taking his Maximum Illusion here. Oh, he spits on him. He
There you
grabs
go.
the bat. Oh, he's taking it to Maximum Illusion.
Crack him up, you know?
Wendy, you're bleeding.
This could be over.
Stroke through the table.
Uh-oh. Is it going to be the Western Explosion? No! Russian leg sweep.
Oh.
There's a glass down here.
Yeah, there is. Under the mat.
You hit me up there.
Yeah, it's all over.
All the way down here? All the way down here?
The noise that stuff makes is crazy.
Illusion just getting up now.
It didn't hurt when he smashed it, huh?
Dave just wanted to get it.
Oh, he hits him with the board.
It broke.
Boy, don't fall on the dirt, does he? Even once.
Landy Slam with another board. Slam a feet. Oh! Takes down Maximum Illusion. He does a cartwheel. Oh, and an elbow.
What the hell?
Some shots to the head of Maximum Illusion. Landy Slam sets up a board up here against the tree. What's the Slam gonna do to Illusion here? Looks like Illusion's gonna go through that board. Punch to the head. Oh, he's got the chain. He's punched him with the chain. Oh, right through the board. And now he's got the legs. Oh. He goes for a pin. 1, 2, 3. It's over. Here's your winner, Landy Slam. The world title, last held by Crazy Kid, who betrayed us and joined XCW.